Okay, I have the Respiro crib mattress. If you have this mattress, you would know that it comes off the cover and there's obviously nothing inside the mattress. It's just on a frame. Anyways, I'm going to be washing it for the first time, and even though it says you can wash it on the gentle cycle, in cold, and tumble dry low, I'm like a little bit leery about it because it has this built-in, I mean, I don't even know what you want to call this. It's not a foam piece, but right here, I mean, look, I'm pushing it and it doesn't bend. It's like, I don't know if that's like a metal wire in there. But again, it says that you can wash it on low, so I am going to test it and show you and cross my fingers. I hope that it turns out good and it doesn't damage it. But this is what the instructions say, so let's see. Oh, and by the way, do not bleach it. I'm going to just put a little bit of detergent in. Let's hope for the best. And you can see it even has like this little foam padding all the way around on both the infant one and the toddler one. It just doesn't seem like you're supposed to put it in the washer, and I'm really paranoid about it. That's why I want to document this. But you can see here. Where does it say it? Here we go. Machine wash on gentle, delicate cycle with cold water. Tumble dry low, do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean. Okay, and I folded it in half long ways, as you can see. And I am putting my free and clear detergent in there. I'm really nervous. Did I say that already? I put it on medium, even though it probably would do okay in small. I'm just doing medium for it to be a little gentler. You can see delicate cycle on cold. Okay, just got done. Moment of truth. Sorry, my washer's dirty again. Looks clean. That foam I was talking about still looks intact, and this is not all bent up. So that's good. I'm going to put them in the dryer. Hey guys, so you can see that it got clean. My little one has already gotten a couple stains on it already, but it was not like that when I just put it on, and it didn't shrink it. I washed it as the instructions said, and then I dried it on low, and it fit right back on the frame. So this can indeed be washed in the washing machine and dried in the dryer. And again, you see these couple stains right here? Yeah, happened yesterday immediately after getting cleaned. Alright parents, thanks for watching.